351. The approach of organizing is viewed as machine and individual working in it as different components of machine. It's assumed that efficiency of organization can be increased by making each individual more effective. The correct answer is A. Classical. 352. The approach provides universal principles of organizing. The correct answer is A. Classical. Behavioral approach of organizing. A. Focuses on human element. B. Assume people are key to organizing. Motivation and leadership are important for productivity. D. It is rational and mechanistic approach. The correct answer is A, B, C. 354. Emphasizes social psychological aspect of organizing. The correct answer is B, behavioral approach. Behavioral approach emphasizes psychological aspect of organization. 355. Is situational approach to organizing. This approach states that organizing is dependent on situational factor. Correct answer is C, contingency approach. 356. Are situational factors. A. Technology. B. Environment, organization size. C. Organizational life cycle. D. All of above. Technology, environment, organization size, organizational life cycle are situational factors. Match the following. Classical, top-down, autocratic style. Behavioral, bottom-up, democratic style. Contingency, top-down and bottom-up, situational leadership. 358. Match the following. Classical, B. Centralized, small tall structure. Behavioral, decentralized, large flat structure. Contingency, situational, flexible. 359. Importance of organization. A. Specialization of work facility in staffing. B. Avoids omission, overlapping and duplication of efforts, produce synergism. C. Facilitates in coordination, copes with environment changes. D. Leads to growth and expansion, established channel of communication. The correct answer is B, all of above. 360. Which of the following is correct steps of organizing process? A. Determination of objectives, identification of objectives, activities, assignment of duties, grouping of activities, delegation of authority, last one coordination. B. Determination of objective, identification of activities, assignment of duties, delegation of authority, grouping of activities, coordination. C. Determination of objective, identification of activities, assignment of duties, delegation of authority, coordination, grouping of activities. D. Determination of objectives, identification of activities, grouping activities, assignment of duties, delegation of authority, coordination. The correct answer is D. 361. Process of structuring an organization consists of A. Division of work, departmentalization, coordination of activities, hierarchy of authority. 362. Which of the following statement is false? Organizational structure defines the authority responsibility relationship and provides guidance for smooth functioning of organization. This is wrong. The correct one is the type of organizational structure depends upon the nature and size of enterprise. C. Organizational structure constitute an informal structure with definite authority and responsibility. D. Sound and effective structure helps to determine the channel of communication and establish flow of authority responsibility. 363. Sound and effective organization structure have the following features except a clear line of authority, adequate delegation of authority. B. Less managerial level simple. C. Large span of control. D. Flexible. 364. Traditional organizational consist of A. Line organizational structure. B. Line and staff organizational structure. C. Functional organizational structure. D. Team organizational structure. The correct answer is D. Team organizational structure. 365. Modern organizational structure consists except divisional organizational structure. Modern organizational structure consists matrix organizational structure, team organizational structure, network organizational structure. 366. Dash 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 is the oldest in traditional types of organizational structure. Line organizational structure. A. B. Line and staff. C. Functional. D. Matrix. 367. Dash 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 is also known as military organization. A. Line organization. B. Matrix. C. Network. D. Functional. The correct answer is A. Line organization. 368. Line structure consists of the direct vertical relationship which connect the position and tasks of each level with those and below it is propounded by C. McFarland. 369. The structure in which all managers have direct authority over their respective subordinates through the chain of command is known as line organization structure. 370. Dash 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 is designed to overcome the limitation of both the line organization and functional organization structure. The correct answer is B. Line and staff organization. 371. Which of the following is not advantage of line and staff organization structure? The correct answer is D. Efficiency. Which of the following statement is true? A. Functional organizational structure focus on work specialization. B. It is based on grouping activities by function performed. C. Organization members are grouped into functional department. D. A specialist is put in charge of each department. The correct answer is A. All of above. 373. Dash 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 has initiated the concept of functional organization. The correct answer is C. F.W. Taylor. 374. Dash 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 organization structure is useful for small size organization. Correct answer is functional. 375. Which of the following is not advantage of functional organizational structure? The correct answer is C. Prompt decision. 376. Which of the following is not disadvantage of functional organization? The correct answer is D. Lack of specialization. 377. Which of the following statement is false? Divisional organization structure is based on self-obtained division. In this structure, product from the basis of organization structure, all functions related to one product are put under one division. D. This is useful for a small size organization. The false one is this is useful for a small organization. The correct answers are divisional organization structure is based on self-obtained division. In this structure, products from the basis of organization structure. Product forms the basis of organization structure. All functions related to one product are put under one division. 378. Dash 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 is popular with multi-product organization. A. Line and staff structure. B. Divisional organizational structure. C. A and B. D. Functional organizational structure. The correct answer is B. Divisional organizational structure. 379. Which of the following is not advantage of divisional organizational structure? A. Environmental adaptation. B. Product visibility. C. Coordination. D. Task concentration. The correct answer is C. Coordination. Dash 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 organization structure is widely used for project management. A. Network. B. Divisional. C. Matrix. D. Team. The correct answer is C. Matrix. Matrix. 381. Matrix organization is also known as A. Project organization. B. Grid organization. C. Multiple command system. D. All of above. The correct answer is D. All of above. Matrix organization is multiple command, project organization, grid organization. 382. Dash 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 organization structure manager group people and responsibility into two ways simultaneously by function and by product in or work project, that is matrix. 383. Which of the following statement is true? A. Matrix structure is mixed form of organization in which functional departmental forms overlap. B. This structure superimpose project structure and functional structure. C. It has single line of command. D. It is an efficient means for bringing together diverse specialized skills. The correct answer is A, B, D. The false one is it has single line of command. 384. Matrix organization violates dash 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 principle, unity of command principles. 385. Matrix structure has a dash 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 line of command. A. Single. B. Multiple. C. A and B. D. Dual. Correct answer is D. Dual. 386. If organization needs the diverse specialized skill to solve certain problem, which structure is most suitable? The correct answer is A. Matrix. 387. When the environment is dynamic and changing rapidly and uncertainty, customer needs or technology is changing rapidly, the managers must design or use dash 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 structure. A. Line and staff. B. Matrix. C. Functional. D. Team and network. The correct answer is B and D. Matrix and team and network. 388. Dash 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 concept breaks down departmental barriers and decentralizes decision making to the level of work team. The correct answer is C. Matrix. 389. Team structure consists except functional and project structure. Team structure consists except functional and project structure, but team structure consists group of members with multiple bad complementary skill. B. Specific team goal and coordinated efforts. D. Authority to make decision and share leadership role in problem solving meeting. 390. Dash 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 structure is getting popular for new product development and innovation. The correct answer is team structure. 391. One, problem solving team. They discuss ways of improving quality, efficiency in work environment. Cross-functional teams. They develop new ideas, solve problems, exchange information, coordinate complex project. 3. Virtual teams based on information technology. 4. Self-managed teams. They play and schedule work, solve problem, make operating decision. The correct answer is C. Dash 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 is a series of independent business units linked together by internet and computers in an information system that designs, produces and market product. A. Matrix structure. B. Functional structure. C. Team structure. D. Network structure. The correct answer is D. Network structure. Structure is also known as virtual organization. Correct answer is B. Network. 394. Dash dash dash. There is no hierarchy or chain of command. The correct answer is B. Team structure organization. Which of the following statement is false? A. In line organization, each subordinate has only one superior to command him, whereas in functional organization, every subordinate has several superiors to command him. B. In line organization, there is centralized authority, whereas in functional organization, there is decentralized authority. C. In line organization, it is difficult to maintain coordination, where in functional organization, it is easy to maintain coordination. D. Line organization is suitable only for small and medium organization, whereas functional organization is suitable for large scale organization. The correct answer is C, which is false. In line organization, it is difficult to maintain coordination, where in functional organization, it is easy to maintain coordination is wrong answer. 396. The process of combining jobs into groups is termed departmentalization is said by dash dash dash. Said by A. Ivanovich, Donley, Wilson. 397. Departmentation is the process of grouping activities into units for purpose of administrative is initiated by C. Y.K. Bhushan. 398. Departmentation is the means of dividing a large and monolithic functional organization into smaller, flexible and administrative units, said by Louis A. Allen. 398. Departmentation is means of dividing a large and monolithic functional organization into smaller, flexible and administrative units, said by Louis A. Allen. 399. General departmentation can be done on dash 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 basis. The correct answer is 6 basis. 400. The process of grouping of similar and homogeneous activities to form an organization unit is called dash 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 departmentation. The correct answer is functional departmentation.